If you want to know which fashion trends to avoid this summer, watch out, I've got some shockers. Bonjour French chic ladies, fashion trends can be a minefield. In my previous video, I explored those fashion trends to embrace this summer. In this video, let's look at those summer fashion trends to avoid at all costs. In at number one of those summer fashion trends to avoid is the bubble skirt. The bubble skirt is back. For me, there is no redeeming feature in a bubble skirt. I have never understood that design, and I never think that it flatters anybody. Let's have a look at these three examples. Our first one is by Cecily Banzan. Have you ever had the nightmare where the back of your skirt got caught in your knickers in the toilet? Well, this is the look. Next, we have a bubble dress by Chloe. And this one looks like a fitted sheet. Our third bubble dress is by Alaya. And with this one, we are keeping with the bed theme, with a duvet hanging around your legs. It may not be too easy to walk around, but if it gets cold, you're covered. One quick question: who wore it best? The model or Mr. Blobby? Our next summer fashion trend to avoid is black leather. I know you may be surprised, and so was I when I heard about black leather for summer. But I had high hopes that I would see things like those beautiful black leather sandals. But I was not expecting this. This little beauty is by Courage. And admittedly, it will take a lot of courage to wear it. If you want to go for the pencil case look, this is perfect. Actually, it reminds me of what my husband is trying to keep away from our vegetable patch at the moment. Our next summer fashion trend to avoid is brassiere. We all like to dress comfortably and a little bit free in our movement, especially for yoga or around the home. And brassiere like these are perfect for that. But the brassiere I'm talking about as a summer trend is nothing like these. This actually is worn, or supposed to be worn, over your clothes and over your arms. So gone is the freedom of movement, ladies. I, for one, not really keen on that optic, but I found somebody who wore it first and better. Houdini. Magic. Have you found some other summer trend beauties you want me to comment on? Let us know in the comments. Our next summer fashion trend to avoid is fringes. Now, there are some fringes that are wearable and very cute, just like this one. And then there are some fringes that make you look as if you've been attacked by cats or big cats. These looks are from Germanier and Diesel. But you tell me, who wore them better? These two or the Snows? Our next summer fashion trend to avoid is the low waist. There is low waist that is wearable, like this one. And then there are the low waist, like this one, by Louis de Javier. I think these are the kind that make you want to hitch up your trousers all day long. Let us know what you think. Would you wear those low-waist jeans? Let us know in the comments. What do you think of these little beauties so far? Let us know. Our next fashion trend to avoid is pearls. In my previous video on summer fashion trends to embrace, I included pearls, and I stand by this wholeheartedly. As you know, I love pearls. But the pearls that I am not talking about right now are these. Lovely. Before I move on, a quick story. I recently went to Paris on a business trip. In the taxi, the driver was sitting on a beaded seat cover. He was very happy to explain to me that this car cover was helping with rheumatism, and he was sitting in a taxi all day, and that was very comfortable to sit on. So imagine my surprise when I saw this dress by Durand & Tink for these summer fashion trends. Copyright issue, anyone? Our next summer fashion trend to avoid is bows. I love bows. Well, some bows. Like this one by Valentino. However, the bows to avoid this summer are from Acne Studios. That may make you look like a photo cheat. I hope you enjoyed the summer fashion trends to avoid. But if you want to know which summer fashion trends to embrace, watch this video on screen now.